Senior Congress leader Manishankar Aiyar, who is yet again at the centre of a political row after he made some controversial remarks regarding Hinduism. The Congress leader and former Union Minister, speaking at a debate, this is a debate titled "Hinduism Needs Protection from Hindutva," described Hindutva as Hinduism in a state of paranoia. He claimed that Hindutva says 80% Hindus are made to quiver before 14% Muslims. Manishankar Aiyar made these comments. This was happening at an event yesterday in Kolkata. But that has triggered a big war of words. The BJP has hit back strongly at the leader of the Congress party after his controversial remarks asserting that Hindutva is Hindu Tattva and that cherishing Hinduism itself is Hindutva.
Hindutva is Hinduism in paranoia. It asks 80% Hindus to quiver in front of 14% Muslims. What is Hindutva? Hindutva is a BJP leader slapping a blind, hungry tribal girl because she attends a Christmas lunch in a church. Hindutva raids shopping malls to tear down Christmas decorations.
We are debating which culture gives you the authority to debate even on religious texts. It is only Hindu. Shastrarth in Vedas. And not only this, the most famous Shastrarth is between Adi Shankar and who was the Chief Justice in that? Mandan Mishra, Adi Shankaracharya, the wife of Mandan Mishra. A lady is being a Chief Justice of a discussion on religious texts. And on the other hand, you will find those who say there can only, on the religious aspect, there can only be sermon or precept. Only listen, otherwise your soul will go to hell.
Manishankar Aiyar says that Hinduism and Hindutva are different. Hindutva is violent. Hindutva advocates beating up people. This is the same line of Congress, that Hindutva is ISIS and Boko Haram. Rahul Gandhi has also abused Hindutva. This is like saying that Ma and Matritva are different. Hindutva has been defined by Supreme Court as a way of life. Yet, Congress party keeps insulting Hindutva. And does Uddhav Thackeray agree with what Congress is saying? Does Uddhav Thackeray agree with what Manishankar Aiyar is saying? That Hindutva promotes violence? Time and again, Hindu Astha, Hindu ka karo apman has become Congress's only pehchan.
Right, we have, let's just get your reactions coming about as far as the BJP is concerned. Reactions coming about. We have C.R. Keswan of the BJP with us. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us this morning on NDTV 24/7. Your reactions to what Manishankar Aiyar has said.
Good morning, Divyaji, to you and your viewers. Mr. Manishankar Aiyar is a serial repeat offender when it comes to the Congress insulting Hinduism. And the Congress leaders like Rahul Gandhi or Manishankar Aiyar giving gyan on Hinduism and Hindutva is like Uli Jafar lecturing about loyalty and Aurangzeb talking about, intolerance. See, under Prime Minister Modi ji, we saw yesterday, the glorious revival of the Somnath temple and its legacy. Bharat is witnessing a dharmic revival, and Modi ji's vision of a Viksit Bharat intertwines technology and tradition. It draws deep inspiration from our civilized national roots, Hindu Dharma and Parampara. But yet, does Mr. Manishankar Aiyar or Rahul Gandhi, do they have the courage to answer why the Congress-led government, UPA government proposed to do a project which would break apart of the sacred Ram Setu bridge? Today they are giving homilies about Hindutva. Why did the Congress government file an affidavit in the Supreme Court saying there is no historical proof of Lord Ram? Is this respect to Hinduism? Did any Congress leader have the courage to condemn Rahul Gandhi when he mocked the Pran Pratishtha ceremony as Nachkana? And Rahul Gandhi abused the Chhat Puja as a drama. And these people talk about Hinduism. What is the locus standi of the Congress party? And one more thing, Rahul Gandhi explicitly said there is a word called Shakti in Hindu Dharma and we are fighting against it. See, the bottom line is Congress is politically, ideologically and morally bankrupt. And I think the same hostile Hindu Virodi mindset which carries from Nehru's Congress is in Rahul's Congress, because all the Congress party wants to do is to do divisive politics of polarization, pander to the bigoted vote bank appeasement politics, and this is the dangerous toolkit. Every time they have an opportunity, they abuse Hindu parampara, our ethos and Bharat civilizational roots. That is what we see today.
Right. Thank you so much, C.R. Keswan, for speaking with us here on NDTV. Tejasri, my colleague, also here. Tejasri, the Congress leader there drawing a clear distinction between Hinduism and Hindutva.
Well, absolutely. There's a strong difference that senior Congress leader Manishankar Aiyar has drawn between Hinduism and Hindutva, where he goes on to describe Hinduism, which is something 1,000 years old, and it follows, or it is on the path, it teaches peace, being tolerant, and also, in fact, non-violence. He also, in fact, goes on to mention about Swami Vivekanand, and also, in fact, about Mahatma Gandhi as well, following the paths of Hinduism. But as far as Hindutva is concerned, he goes on to compare, stating that this term was coined by none other than Vinayak Damodar Das Savarkar, and he was the one who gave this term and in fact it is the term Hindutva. It is all about violence, it is all about hatred, and in fact he has also drawn a very strong and blatant comparison between Hinduism and Hindutva, where in fact as far as Hindutva is concerned, he cites several incidents, in fact mentioning about how the BJP leader slaps the blind Christian girl. We also saw the video that is getting viral, but drawing such kind of comparison between these both, say it be Hindutva or Hinduism, BJP calls it these anti-Sanatan or anti-Hindu mindset of the Congress party. We just heard BJP leader raising guns at the Congress party, also in fact recalling the statement made by the Congress leader and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi as well, who went on to say that there is a word in Hinduism that is Shakti, and we are all fighting against Shakti, because Rahul Gandhi in a way in fact had directly hit out at the government, mentioning that we are fighting against Shakti, and in fact that also resulted into a huge political war of words. And this statement made by the Congress party, again BJP is asking that it should be cleared by the Congress party that is it the local stand-eye of the Congress party, so as to what Manishankar Aiyar has been stating as far as Hindutva and Hinduism is concerned, because he has drawn a very strong comparison and has also put in fact Hindutva in a very dark picture, whereas the BJP leaders are stating that there's not different, that Hindutva is a way of life, it is a way of tradition, it is the culture in which we live, and stating all these kinds for Hindutva is something which is highly unacceptable. Needs to be seen that how this escalates further into political war of words. Back to you.